In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel file into ClickUp. Importing your data is a key process that helps streamline your project management, ensuring that all your information is consolidated in one place and optimizing your workflow. Whether you're transitioning from another tool or organizing your existing data within ClickUp, this step-by-step guide will make the process easy and efficient. To begin, first ensure that you're logged into the correct ClickUp account. This might seem obvious, but it's important to verify, especially if you manage multiple accounts or workspaces, as importing data into the wrong one could be problematic. Once you're sure you're in the right place, it's time to navigate to your workspace settings. Upon entering your workspace, head over to the Settings menu. This is where you'll find the various options for managing and customizing your projects and data. Look for the option that mentions Imports and Exports. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. This section is your gateway to bringing in data from outside sources. You'll find an option to import a spreadsheet. This is precisely what you need. Select this option and you'll be guided to choose the specific location within ClickUp where you want your tasks to be imported. This flexibility is great because it allows you to organize new data directly into its rightful place. Additionally, at this stage, you can format any dates in your spreadsheet to ensure they match your preferred setup within ClickUp, helping your data look clean and organized. Once you've set these options, click to continue with your import. You'll see a section where you can either drag and drop your Excel file or browse your computer to upload it. This method is straightforward and user-friendly, allowing you to quickly find and use the file you want to import. Pay close attention here as ClickUp guides you through a crucial step, mapping your fields. This is where you'll align the columns from your Excel sheet with the fields available in ClickUp. It's essential to do this carefully so that all your data is accurately transferred and organized in the way you intend. Take a moment to overview each mapping choice being proposed by the system and make adjustments as needed. Once you're satisfied that everything is in order, confirm your configuration by clicking Continue. And just like that, you've successfully imported your Excel file into ClickUp. By following these instructions, you can now enjoy the benefits of having all your data unified, leading to greater efficiency and ease in managing your projects. Thank you for joining in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your data management.